Nigerian guy. Or the me pictures bibia and or there be a Facebook. Or the shimmy crown say, and Quasiado Quan or your who, oh, but sorry, not their tour. And I
will be a doctor like you, which I know. We know not catch a doctor like he said, my say, do say, Dr. Liking is always up to the person. Oh, my wire drew, I are there to us, but make sure it's on far account, you know.
Right, lovely people, hi, YA Media. Makasho say, we are on set. What you say? You have a piece set, so you buy. And you want me bring na SCC what I say na. Many a director, a producer, and just a movie industry. No to me in film. We also make analysis. I who say analysis is on point. I'm a Tundra. I didn't simbi atudwana and pese Mcbrown Nigerian chere. I want sema walk on before my mama walk abanyansa. You have a code. I'm a Tundra kasa.
Okay.
I'm a Tundra say, I'm for the din and in the image, just will be a impersonatino. Facebook, Nipano, at the Iron Mabere, or the Ajis Cafe amount for Ama, what they just or the Iron Mabasa, Anka, in himself could be a impersonatio Kanasenka, or the year as in a form of promoting you are. Sometimes you consider and also okay, where or I'm a die-hard fan. What I say, and no posting in your man. But where the uncle is, Nipano adding the videos, no, air your bonnet. Ama, and no, asking a before, Ama will delete a year on no Facebook account, nay, the winning Ama, but losing on no Facebook for almost 4 years. As an artist, only Facebook page because of Sunny Manama for and some will say, yes, overcard and I found.
Mammy. And now it's you for us. And you have what to say, Mcbrown no more shame. The first thing people have to know is that there is no positive side in impersonation of character. It's a very wrong move, and it's very illegal.
Okay. Which you need positive side there.
No. So open myself. That's also open. So promote me. I don't impersonate me.
Okay.
Create your own brand, create your own page, and post my stuff, and post my works. In that case, it's you as YA Media posting my works, posting my stuff.
Like, but said the YA Media, Edema or the Sheba
president and other people.
Okay.
Family go, but men creative, BBT said the me.
Oh, okay.
Then family go.
Okay.
With what motive?
Okay.
And mostly impersonation of character goes a wrong way. But I said the man delete the Facebook page.
Ochiremu nipa no to me a post say a post ono amano picture. No ka say enra say na boy bi amenya na slim boy bi atwimi ama me ho.
So this is where it goes wrong. And the brand we are talking about, the character we are talking about, I know her personally. You know Zemene very close. She's not like that. She doesn't subscribe to certain kind of lifestyle. Even though say skates me and no might be but she's very cool, very calm, and doesn't support any form of illegal or any form of social vices. She will never post anything like that.
Ama, now we page no Facebook and also. I'm page no Facebook also.
We are funny. Maybe I show some mini Facebook accounts. Mini Facebook so. Obia came you. Na Maria was said 2020 said na guy be the me pictures. Ono crowd followers. Same you. Or post to idea. You like the same me. There some inquiries so
mini Facebook account.
Mini Facebook accounts. Yeah. Me social media pages are no Instagram. Asa.
The Facebook will be cost one and
2020. Naga be. I don't know. Echena ye shishe man or ye Nigerian guy. Or the me pictures bibia and or there be a Facebook or followers same me or like same me. The shimmy crown is here. And Quasiado or yo ho. Or to me the better or better sorry not their tour. And I do pass them guy be pound chia chimmy palm me who name Naya mea. 5 minutes now. I am man 3.5 likes
in your name.
Say, Obian you say
impersonate you.
Yes. Slim guy be Koshia on him the rough 1.5 comments.
Hey.
And some funny kwasi adin just on train as assembly cry no who crack so ebia or no yet to sell no cry no or they
promote you and but we or the didn't see me.
Na metimi adi me yankasa me page na enko no aba life ni now store no that so ye no no masa ko page o sign me mom na me ye fake ama Tundra and say no my classmate be a police guy. And see, or I'm so in him, sir, MTN, you know, or Mushane, your Bema. Many things, I'm a free Facebook from 20. No, I am a Tundra. And
so they are job is
and aside that, okay, some kind of massacre. Now, comfort to me complaints. If your directors and producers need to me, so you send them a Tundra discusses. You so on for the number. My old attempt. On the number, the baby number.
Internet is also Dini said, Jiska.
Me Facebook
from producers.
And you're from producers. So, or like feedback, you could see almost so. Yeah, send them Mexico, but it's only a Casa rudely.
Okay.
And I want to be your original account.
So now we'll be no deleted.
So be my official.
I'm not on your Macono. Aside that, from conversation pictures, see you come. And see, child crime, manager, and I know some forgetting. You're one and I'm Nana Mcbrown pages for Facebook. Different baby, and I'm forgetting. It's small na but I could be cried and never take a picture. And avatar not what me my post or me page or coach picture no. Not that better. I don't know why this guy's teeth is very yellow like that. Hey,
what director?
I cameraman no. Me do no.
Who need a picture?
Ayo.
Na akwana ko fa ko post o Facebook.
Facebook me free or 2020 no.
Today na be ka kire ye wadofo mo follow sa page.
Me patron me strom mo follow mini Facebook account. Me strom any day ma me strom mini Facebook account. I'm a Tundra page bi am be me strom anya me. Me dia me strom. Why? Strom any day ma why come at show come at show baby.
See I'm a Tundra na a disclaimer no. Was the pages be on Facebook? Yeah,
ni Facebook. Me ni Facebook account. Me me phone cra. We Facebook app cra said that so.
Wow. It's yes, Remo. Mo follow sa page na mo bi say I'm a Tundra. Enyo no.
Me you cra me ni Facebook. Yes, Snapchat, Instagram, and at TikTok asa. Me ni Facebook. Me ni Facebook. Why?
Tebusia for mo unsubscribe na mo unfollow.
Mr. Every time I say, "Dear, me crab to me, baby."
I didn't say you were more than 2 months. I'm
not me real who you know Facebook.
Say 2 years ago. Say 2 years ago.
2020.
4 years ago. 4 years. And Kawo, the Nukan Cafe, how and Kate and Cafe would you?
I'm on Facebook.
Wow. That's it. That's it. Trust.
Mr. Manyami, why?
Well, I send this car for Biano and Yama.
What do I do in Yama?
I number cry, the MC, and every number now of the chat so you know. And yes, I
saw the just go.
How?
What I say? Ain't he say also per month? Now we create a platform, even in my name to promote me. You have to be posting something like this. Look at what I do, what I stand for, and post this stuff. Okay. Okay. So to me, I feel say you're wrong. So we be create, we be use why they are creative brand, another why media. No, they church no maybe especially they go off.
Yeah.
What I say. And then there's one big wrong move she did or she made. That is deleting her own thing. Because
I say I didn't see you know, or more we say, or more a report say several times, but more to me. And I say Facebook can't take any page in it down.
One mistake, side of the industry, most of our people want to handle most social media platforms.
Exactly.
But trust me, why you and a couple of others, you guys are gurus in this industry.
Yeah.
It wants a character and an artist now, not managing the social media platform.
Lot of them.
Almost 99% of our people.
Of which I am wrong.
Yes. But you will be on man, the Juma no. Only the baby SOCO, the right places SOCO. Said the baby to me, I get the account banned or taken down forever.
I think say artists need be one more. Omo per se omo handle omo bibia.
No,
of which any right. Who be kwana say o per se ebia wunya YouTube any pages and I say woni no edi nkomo asin say o per se o manage obi kwana say ni pages kra wo dey ma wo na waye ebia wo go through a reply ahwe nyoma security and nyoma kwana na edin.
Let me say this here. Some of us, yeah, we got into this industry as cameramen, as scriptwriters, as directors and all, without knowing that I say for social media platforms no, and can because you know they grow star brand now working.
What I say?
So when you get here and start to be able to say, oh, we will IG page, we page. No, so creativity. But the question is, what does this platform or SAR platforms what does it do for us? How does it support our brand? And the challenge, these platforms are helping us. The challenge, the impact of these platforms are huge. And you need an office on it or not office, office. Well, you need somebody. I'm saying but you need somebody who is very, very educated and has more knowledge about this stuff. Say on handle mommy. Say the artist, I want to mean cover. Wow, be so make videos about a cameraman, an editor, a scriptwriter to do this. Let's not forget, our people are refusing to understand that we have somebody who is a social media artist or whatever. No, so big Nigerians say, we manage social media. Trust me, young coffee say the brain now will be a handle on social media. I can call for baby now blow more baby more dream. Baby now, but sometimes Momo say I'm okay. Me, you know me, I'm straight.
Okay.
Sometimes I'm okay. We do the platform be a mama say when you people get connections, people get deals.
Yeah.
Omu huda artists ni huda. Oh, we see endorsement man, we see a man, I answer endorsement. Na man for young coffee will be bringing to me kind. Few name to me kind of or more a day hand and no more we say kind more because I do be aba or be kind. How many panay oh you see the endorsement or my 500 or my 1,000 2,000. No what the person will be taking more than that. And to say the diba come be any and son. And ya corner more mama can so more financial go for son.
Okay.
What I say?
Okay. So my test animals, but here is the case. When it says we're deleting a Facebook account,
which I know is wrong.
I don't know. I was so be honest.
Oh yes. On say, Jumaya, I say Jumaya, you have to invest to get to the next level, and then that investment near the end, as will be new because you invest like in cameras, you invest in script writing. All these things. No one say invested in promotion. Exactly. The social media platform serves as our only source of promotion now. Trust me, how many of us watch televisions now? What's the last time you did?
I suffer for any
and social media now creating a brands now they do baby so in that case, if you are supposed to delete, and trust me, Facebook, whether you like it or yes, has a greater portion of people than better than 90%, if not all the platforms now. Be a YouTube there, but YouTube I doubt. We are sure say Facebook more than
trust.
What I say?
Yeah.
Good. And he said they are a bit promote more beyond say, hey, this lady ne, oh, I'm not Tundra pay ne, oh, we ne. Obi one ma only YouTube, obi only IG, obi only the page I Facebook. So let's say I am campaigning A. I want to work with Tundra. What delete you page? How do I get to know your how do I get in touch with you? Say me person who me brand ambassador mommy, me person who promote me mommy. Where you also end up making money. Where you also end up being on billboards and all, like a lot of platforms and all that.
Yeah.
Which in other ways brings income and then adds up to your publicity and even your portfolio or your profile.
Yeah.
What I say?
Yeah.
So I feel say I am wrong. Be a who knows how to go about this stuff or who technically is good. Now with me I report it. You and I know say with me I file it for complaint. I report it. Sometimes reporting is not just okay. You just have to email them. You know. And Facebook will respond. They'll give you a case, a build case. Prove that you are the original Tundra.
Nyansa Akanina, Nyansa happens to be a director, a producer, a DOP, a chance moving it there. Unima, where you are to Nipa, or no, and then Lewe, Castro, only, and I mean, no, a dim common. I said, Nyansa, you have a court, can be beached there, 1 hour impersonate amount for Omonde a hard journey. Can be beached on
Charlie. I very bad. Send your own person at the bay or no man find you. Say, so Banny artist say, what can same see or her a brown kind. You want to send a bit feeling. Oh, yes, say, oh, Abuaje. Oh, now she say. You are now on kind. The same thing now, what we impersonate to be no you. Or say, I'm a Tundra, say, I'm a Tundra, I say. Obi quite me de Obi account could be a Mukudi Obi attempt. And all these things doesn't set well with the characters. Intimacy, your mom will impersonate man for. Yes, you're any panel sold on can create your own platform, help promote the person by posting the panel works near there. And I feel something called for so they make a challenge and say, if you can't handle your own social media platform, pay will be obey to me at the end of the day, at the end of the month. And in instance, will be obey to me and manage your free or door or pay as who you are as a brand. Or person you match or person will be a pages chow. There's this guy around Techiman. Obi some pages, Facebook pages, my guys go TikTok for free. Or manage your grow accounts, they do another logins and they didn't even know what I said. So in this case, if you lost a person like that, you can do that. Obi a be a man Dr. Likee, which I know. Obi no catch Dr. Likee say my say do say at this moment which my change no say. But Dr. Likee is always to the person. Oh, my boy do no. I are there to us. But make sure it's on for account, you know. And you say it's another person changing your wow there.
Oh, sir.
Yes, oh yes. Because I don't know how on the platform I am stronger.
Only panel by say the account number
Likee. Yes.
Say what build the page every baby say.
Yes, with your name near there. Say. I order order me one more and there.
Dr. Likee say.
Oh, I had the order and say. Then you saw say or don't know. Now what's in your yes I there na man. Na say page will be here there before for now. Bit much change logins no. Now there yes I there. The here and say on fan ko be born. But or no Dr. Likee page me. It's share na with me and going in the free the page me so. Na on fan but to bit me so and Dr. Likee there fan page. Na on fan ye be born there. And judging from how and then the Panacea grow account and then normal no there here no. You mean say the Panonia the Paboni.
What buy any mukra sabe Canada? Essence why are there pa? Abusia aha and I dey en common nyina be sinyansa mostly more times we go say baba gi adwenkyere efino and your first time subscribe na me abel no so aha YA Media Plus anything concerning what I say the movie industry, the gospel fraternity any baby be the trending issues I work Ghana no many nyansa the more updates ebebro e was subscribe na me abel no so yakram.